Okay, Jack, ito tapos na yung conference. If you want to sum it up itong conference na to, ano masasabi mo sa Ginebra this conference?
Yeah, we're just gonna, we're just gonna get better. Marami nangyari this conference. Ayun, happy naman kami sa naging growth namin. I mean, we're just back, gonna be back on the drawing board. So, ayun, titingnan namin kung ano pwede namin ma-improve for next conference. So, ayun, kinausap na kami ni Coach kanina. So, ayun.
Jeff, laman kayo ng social media ni Junmar yung kulitan niya. Siyempre yung closeness nyo, nakita-kita. Baka may message ka sa kanya. Good luck message going to the finals for him.
Oh yeah, sana makakuha pa sila ng Super Championship. You know, kami naman we just want the best for each other. So, ayun, maganda yung naging run nila this conference. So, sa series nila, finals nila against Tokentex, may the best team win. So, good luck to both teams. Sana maging healthy para maging maganda yung finals. So, yun. Good luck on both teams. Kasi may mga Gilas teammates din kami sa kabila. So, yun.
On the bright side of things, Jack, may mababa yung break natin sa before next conference. May oras ka sa family ngayon, sa bagong baby.
Yeah, maybe time to, dami nangyari this conference. I got my surgery, got my baby, sobrang busy. Dami kami mga injuries. I have a couple of injuries, we just don't publicize it. Ayun, siguro magandang magandang time din to. Opportunity na rin para to get better. So,
mensahe mo sa Ginebra fans na kahit ang laki na lamang kanina, todo suporta pa rin eh.
Yeah, maraming salamat sa mga sa mga Ginebra fans. Ganun talaga. Basta lang, support na lang. Malay nyo, sa atin naman, mapupunta yung blessing, yung swerte. So, ayun, sa amin naman, move on lang, as much as possible, try to get another run. So, thank you, John.